Repurposed relics carry within them a quiet power, a layered story of time, use, and resilience, and when salvaged timber and reclaimed metals are thoughtfully transformed into budget home staging elements, they become more than decorative accents. They become strategic tools for elevating a property's perceived value while preserving authenticity and financial sustainability for the maker. In today's housing market, buyers are not merely searching for square footage and structural soundness. They are seeking atmosphere, character, and emotional resonance. They want to walk into a space and immediately feel possibility, warmth, and subtle luxury. This is where the art of staging with salvaged timber and metal reveals its brilliance. Instead of relying on mass-produced decor that feels generic and detached, repurposed materials introduce texture, depth, and narrative into a home. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. A weathered timber console placed thoughtfully in an entryway, its grain highlighted with a soft matte finish, signals craftsmanship and solidity. A set of minimalist metal and wood floating shelves installed in a living room niche frames the walls with architectural intention. These pieces do not shout for attention, yet they quietly communicate quality, sustainability, and design awareness, all while being crafted at a fraction of the cost of traditional luxury furnishings. The secret to using salvaged timber and metals for affordable luxury staging lies in understanding perception. Buyers respond to visual cues that suggest durability and refinement. Reclaimed wood, once properly milled and cleaned, offers rich grain patterns and natural tonal variation that new materials often lack. When sanded smooth yet allowed to retain subtle marks of its past life, it bridges rustic authenticity with contemporary polish. Metal elements, whether brushed steel brackets, blackened pipe frames, or slim welded accents, introduce contrast and a sense of structural integrity. Together, wood and metal form a visual language associated with modern industrial elegance and high-end design magazines, yet they can be produced economically by sourcing discarded materials from renovation sites, deconstructed pallets, or scrapyards. This balance between cost efficiency and aesthetic impact makes repurposed staging pieces uniquely powerful for homeowners seeking to increase value without overspending. Budget home staging is not about filling rooms with objects. It is about curating focal points that shape a buyer's emotional journey through a space. Salvaged timber coffee tables with clean lines anchor living rooms, offering warmth against neutral walls. Reclaimed wood headboards add character to bedrooms, transforming blank spaces into inviting retreats. Metal-framed mirrors crafted from scrap steel visually expand small rooms while introducing subtle industrial charm. Each piece contributes to a cohesive narrative that suggests the home has been cared for, thoughtfully updated, and designed with intention. This narrative can significantly influence buyer perception, often translating into faster sales and stronger offers. When a home feels curated rather than staged, buyers connect with it more deeply, imagining their lives unfolding within its walls. For makers, this approach represents more than a creative exercise. It becomes a sustainable economic model. Salvaged timber and metal are often low-cost or even free resources, yet when transformed through skilled craftsmanship, they acquire substantial market value. The act of cleaning, planing, cutting, welding, and finishing turns discarded remnants into functional art. Each completed staging piece not only enhances a property's appeal, but also serves as a portfolio example of the maker's skill. This visibility can lead to commissions, custom furniture orders, and long-term client relationships. In this way, repurposed relics sustain the craft financially, creating a cycle where creative expression and economic viability reinforce one another. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The emotional dimension of working with salvaged materials cannot be overstated. In an era dominated by disposable goods and fast furniture, creating something real from what others have discarded feels almost radical. Each reclaimed beam carries traces of its former life, perhaps once part of a barn, a factory floor, or a family home. Each metal fragment may have supported machinery or framed an industrial structure. By reshaping these materials into decor that enhances contemporary homes, makers honor their history while giving them renewed purpose. Buyers sense this authenticity, even if subconsciously. They feel the weight of solid wood, the cool strength of metal, the tactile honesty of materials that have endured. This emotional resonance adds intangible value to a staged home, making it memorable in a competitive market. Affordability does not require sacrificing sophistication. By focusing on clean silhouettes, balanced proportions, and restrained finishes, salvaged materials can be elevated into decor that rivals boutique showroom pieces. A simple timber bench paired with slender metal legs can redefine an entryway. Wall-mounted shelving made from reclaimed planks supported by matte black brackets can transform kitchens and offices. Even small accents such as wooden trays, candle holders, or plant stands contribute layers of warmth and style. When arranged strategically, these elements suggest a lifestyle rooted in sustainability and intentional design. Prospective buyers perceive not just objects, but a curated environment that feels both aspirational and attainable. The process of creating these staging pieces demands thoughtful preparation. Timber must be inspected for stability, nails removed, surfaces planed and sanded until smooth yet character-rich. Metals must be cleaned of rust, sealed or finished to prevent corrosion, and fabricated with careful attention to alignment and safety. Finishes play a crucial role in bridging rustic origins with contemporary expectations. Natural oils enhance grain depth while maintaining authenticity, whereas subtle stains can unify tones across different pieces. Metal can be brushed, blackened, or clear-coated to achieve a refined industrial look. These finishing choices shape the final impression, ensuring that repurposed materials read as intentional design rather than improvised salvage. As these creations enter staged homes, they perform a dual function. They enhance property value by elevating visual appeal and simultaneously demonstrate the maker's capability to produce desirable, market-ready decor. This synergy between art and commerce is what sustains the craft financially. Instead of relying solely on direct furniture sales, makers can collaborate with real estate agents, interior stylists, and homeowners preparing to sell. Staging becomes both a marketing platform and a revenue stream. Each successful sale reinforces the idea that sustainable craftsmanship can compete with, and even surpass, conventional staging solutions in effectiveness and charm. Beyond financial gain, there is a cultural dimension to repurposed staging. In reusing materials, makers participate in a broader movement toward environmental responsibility and conscious consumption. They reduce waste, conserve resources, and demonstrate that beauty can emerge from what society often discards. Buyers increasingly value such principles, seeking homes that reflect mindfulness rather than excess. When they encounter decor crafted from reclaimed timber and metal, they see tangible proof that sustainability and luxury can coexist. This alignment between values and aesthetics strengthens emotional attachment to the home. Ultimately, repurposed relics embody a powerful philosophy that transformation is both creative and economic. Salvaged timber and metals, once overlooked, become instruments for boosting property value and accelerating sales. For makers, these creations represent independence, resilience, and the ability to sustain their craft without compromising authenticity. Each table, shelf, or accent piece tells a story of renewal, of materials rescued and refined, of skill applied with intention. In staging homes with these elements, we do more than decorate. We craft environments that feel grounded and genuine. We show buyers that luxury does not require extravagance, only thoughtful design and honest materials. And in doing so, we affirm that creating something real, something shaped by hand, rooted in history, and aligned with sustainable values can be both emotionally fulfilling and financially rewarding, sustaining the maker while elevating the homes they touch. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.